Today guys, we'll be making hair treatment, and the first thing we're using only 2 ingredients, and the first thing we are using here is the aloe vera. You can actually use this treatment in case you're having breakage of hair. Maybe your hair was full or thick before, but now it became very thin and light. You can actually use this treatment to grow out your hair. It will make your hair look healthy, dark, and looking shiny. Please make sure you apply this treatment. Just cut the aloe vera into pieces. And please, if you're here for the first time, make sure you click on the subscribe button, and also make sure you turn on the bell notification for more amazing styles. Smash the like button and comment down if you have tried out this treatment. Comment down your results. Please make sure you try it out. Then you can just keep on cutting the aloe vera. Make sure you cut them like this. This method will help your hair in many ways. It is real, not fake. To help your hair to grow out, it will increase the length of your hair. So please make sure you watch the full video. Then after we have finished slicing it, you can kindly take your olive oil, place it on a pot on top of your gas. You pour the olive oil inside. You can actually use what is it called, you can use coconut oil or carrot oil to, you can use it to replace the olive oil. But if you don't have olive oil or carrot oil, you can actually use this olive oil to replace that. After you have finished putting it on the hot plate, then you can pour in your aloe vera. After you have finished putting the aloe vera on the pot, then you can start stirring it. You leave it for some time. Please make sure you use low medium heat. Don't use high heat. Use a very low medium heat to heat it. Then we can move to the next phase. Now you can see that we are done making it. Look at the color of the olive oil have changed to brown color, or maybe it has darkened. Then before you bring it out, make sure it cools off first. Then you can pour it on your can or your container. Then you can apply it directly to your hair just by spraying it on your hair. That was all for this hair treatment. Please, if you want more hair treatments on this channel, please comment down below. Thanks for always stopping by. Thank you very much. Bye.